Okay, so in this particular case, we are going to check a lead that has multiple opportunities. So the first thing, you go to full profile. Once you get to full profile, you see all the opportunities that we have available. As you can see in this particular case, we have two opportunities linked to two different salespersons. One is to Frederick Botero, and the other one is to Fred Ginwright. So, and you see that these other two doesn't have anybody particularly assigned. So the first thing that we do is check, since both of them are a day ago, check which one can be the older. You can see this one is 9 days old. And let's check this one. This one is 9 days old as well. So check on the activity. First of all, who assigned it. So audit log. And then you see that I have assigned it to Ginwright on the 12th. And then Botero changed it on the 14th to contacted. So how that happened? Then let's go back to the other one where Ginwright was assigned. Check the same. 3 dots, view audit log. Then you can see again the lead was assigned on the 12th to Fred Ginwright. So it belongs to Fred Ginwright. So the next step, since we already know that Fred Ginwright is the one in charge of it, is changing everything to Ginwright. You can either change it here, that's one option, or the other option is when you merge the lead, it automatically changed to the person that was assigned. So for example, in this case, you see it says your friends at Chevy Chase Acura. This is the one that we are going to merge. This is the one that we are going to keep. So we click on these 3 dots, merge into, then you go to Fred Ginwright, merge record. Same story with this one that is assigned to Cabe. And this one. And same story with this last one. That way you preserve the information. Which one I'm gonna keep? I'm gonna try to keep the one that is older, because in that way we can preserve most of the information, including trade-ins and things like that. In general, the new leads are going to be just a little bit of information or just a new lead. And as you can see, it's already under Ginwright's name, and you can see that he has been in contact.